Yeah, hello. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to design a fruit salad recipe flyer for social media. So the first thing we need to do is to create our gradient, whereby we have two different colors and blend together. So picking the second color, which is the yellow. So we just want to have a little touch of yellow with the orange. Yeah. Increase the opacity. Okay. So you have to put that for on the radius. So bring the other image. So we want to blend this image on the background. And the bones, reduce the opacity, and also reduce the hue. So the image will just come out soft on the background. Yeah, so bringing the fruit salad image. Yeah, so bringing it down. It will only show the half view of the fruit salad. Yeah, good. Now I'm about to bring in the shapes. So shapes, you can find this on your Photoshop shape icon. You can also download this online. Yeah. I want it to look like it revolves around the plate. So duplicate, bring one at the bottom of the fruit salad image. You leave the other one at the top. So I'm currently erasing the one at the top of the fruit salad image. So can you see, it looks like the arrow or the shape actually revolves around the plate. Can you see it now? Yeah. So and I actually achieved that using my brush tool. Now to the text. Yeah, it's salad. Reduce the spacing. Yeah, Oxford. This is the Oxford fonts. Yeah, so I'm using my ruler to get the middle of the flyer. So I'm using the wrap tool. So I want it to look like somehow like big at the bottom. Yeah, so let me reduce it a little bit. Yeah, now creating the stroke around the text. So I'm going to be picking brown, so just for it to blend with the background. Yeah, so just follow the figure and it will definitely help you out as well. So this is the shadow. I want to add shadow to the text as well. onto the other test that comes before the fruit salad. It says enjoy your weekend with yeah. So for this font I'm using Neza fonts, well, not the Neza bold font. Yeah, so creating a rectangular shape at the bottom. Yeah, so I'm using the same color I used for the stroke for the fruit salad, which is the brown. Yeah, bring it downward, then you have something like this. So onto the third test that I'll be working with. Yes, it's still the same font I used for the one at the top, which says enjoy your weekend. So I'm using Neza fonts. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, so about to add my lens flare on the back of the fruit salad image. Yeah, so you make sure that the lens flare is actually under the fruit salad image, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see by your right. So enlarge it a little bit. Yeah, so it helps the fruit salad plate actually like stand out, spot out on the flyer. Now onto the logo of the brand that offer the service. So I'm using a rectangular shape. Yeah, logo. Yes, so you drag from the diagonal, not from the sides, not from the top. You drag from the diagonal, so you can have a correct correct transformation. So onto the next one is the social handle of the organization that offer this brand, the social handles, and also probably the phone number as well to order. Okay, so like one of those things you must notice, after putting out your information, you pass out a message to the online users that, oh, buy this thing from me, do this, I offer this, I offer that. How can they get in touch with you? That calls for a call to action. Yeah, a call to action. And this is the call to action, whereby there's a way they can reach out to this brand. Yep. So the Instagram and the call icon. Select the two, Ctrl T, then you drag. drag them, construct it. Yeah, I grouped it, which is Ctrl G, then color overlay, black. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, turn on that notification bell to receive an update from us whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much, and God bless you.